Monica? What's going on? I haven't seen you in like years.
Hey Mark, I saw you last month, remember? I was with Steven.
Steve? Yeah, Steve. No.
So, who are you here with?
Myself.
Oh, okay. Why don't you go dance?
I don't dance.
Oh my God.
What? Should I go dance with him?
Hell yeah.
Oh my God, I think you got your beard.
Gross. What the hell is that smell?
I know. Where's it coming from? It's so gross. What?
It's your hair, man. I think Mark rubbed up on it.
Oh, my hair smells like sweaty man. Oh, no wonder nobody's been hitting on me tonight. You gotta go, like now.